A man who spent years prosecuting wife beaters is now accused of being one.
West Valley City Prosecutor Keith Stoney was recently asked to be a Third Circuit judge. But last Friday, Stoney was asked to step down, stripped of his powers, after an ex-wife accused him of abusing her.
Now another ex-wife is stepping forward and making the same accusation. News 4 Utah Courts reporter Paul Murphy has this exclusive story on why the man accused says he's now the victim.
From the outside, Keith Stoney's family appeared to be the picture of domestic bliss. On the inside, Stoney's first wife, Reba, says it was 17 years of domestic violence.
He would kick me down the stairs or kick me up the stairs, at the same time pulling my hair and choking my neck, and that was very common.
Keith later married Ginger, but the marriage only lasted 2 years. Long enough, Ginger says, to be beaten on a regular basis.
We had been married about 5 months the first time he got physically abusive. I was pregnant at the time.
Ironic for a man who made a name for himself sending spouse abusers to jail. Now Keith Stoney has been dismissed as a circuit court judge after allegations surfaced that he practiced what he prosecuted.
I've been convicted by them before I've even been given a chance to respond.
Why do you believe you're the victim here?
Because I am. I have been chased, I have been hit, I have been beat, I've been kicked in the crotch, I've been smacked upside the head with brooms, chairs. I've been accused of every kind of mayhem that one could find, and it just didn't happen.
Stoney says the only time he hit anyone was in self-defense. He even provided affidavits to back up his claims, including one where his first wife says she had never been beaten.
If somebody goes this side and this side and this side, when they're on this side, it's to their benefit, but if it's to their benefit to be over here now when they're in a custody battle and say something else, you should question credibility.
But Reba Stoney is questioning the credibility of the affidavit.
What is this document?
This is the first time I've seen it.
Did you sign this document?
No, I did not.
Is it a forgery?
It is a forgery.
Reba admits denying the abuse at one time for fear she would lose her child support, but not signing this document. Now both wives say it is time for the truth to come out.
Ironic is a really good word for it, but when you're living in it, it was scary. It was very scary. There's no way he should be a judge, and I don't think even a prosecutor.
Because of the allegations, Keith Stoney will no longer judge spouse abuse cases. But West Valley City has offered him his old job back, so soon he can be prosecuting them. Paul Murphy, News 4, Utah.
And all criminal charges were dismissed against Stoney after he completed counseling for domestic violence. And Acting Court Administrator Pam Greenwood says it was a mistake to appoint Stoney as a judge without doing a full